Hi, Caitlin. I'm going to go over your Jeopardy answers from last week's Jeopardy. You did really awesome. I really like reading your answers. They were very thorough. For category 1, you did great, but you forgot to put that it is dorsal on K. For number 2, category 1, 400, the answer was strident. I did the same thing, so I understand your thought process. That one was tough. You might just want to go check on that one. I think we both were looking for the something else that and I understand. Category 1, 800, you did awesome on that. Way to go. Category 2, 600, the phonemes do not contrast, which is true, which is what you said, but it is because they are found in different environments, where you put they are found in the same environments, because if they were in the same environments, they could be allophones. And then maybe sharing like exactly where you were referring to, instead of saying like, oh, in the bottom of the chart or example, because if I'd had to like try to find what you were talking about, and because there's so much data, it makes it a little bit more difficult to kind of pinpoint what you were referring to when you found your evidence. For category 2, 1000, good job. It's 100% correct, but the same thing with the last one is I just didn't see any of your examples or evidence to kind of like back up what you were saying, so it made it kind of hard to see why you chose the answer that you did. For category 3, 200, great job. Same thing with category 3, 400, awesome, very thorough, very good answers. Category 3, 600, good job. This is another one where I really wish you would have had examples to explain what your thought process was when you're coming up with your answer and what evidence you used. Category 3, 800, this is partially correct. You didn't show the correct IPA symbol to describe the allophone of T. That sounds like D. You put voiced instead of it, so... but I mean, I understand what you were doing. So good job. And then category 4, 400, great job on that one. And then your last one, for 1000 category 4, you did great. That looked really tricky, and I looked over your answer and it looked great to me. So overall you made 6,100. So good job.